Hi all, how are you? Since there are a lot of people asking me how I create this video, now I want to create a tutorial how I create a video using Videoscribe. So make sure you're watching this video until the end and here the tutorial. from this content and development subject, I got many information regarding content. I got many knowledge regarding content. I know how to product my content, how to create a good content, and then how to use search engine optimization. And then from this subject, I got insight to create my own content in my social media. I will attach here my content. You can visit from my Instagram account. A little bit suggestion for Miss Endang, maybe in our material, our PowerPoint material, you can give us references to find more source to learn about content development, and then that's it. Thank you for a great learning experience that I got from your class, ma'am. Thank you very much for giving us knowledge, experience to create our own content. Thank you very much. Stay safe, everyone. And I want to say thank you for those people who still watching this video until the end. Thank you very much. Don't forget to share to your friends. And then I'll see you in the next video in my social media account. Bye bye.